we're here at the famous Kishore Petiwala place. This place has been here a very long time, and it's an establishment, and people are crazy about it. And lots of people come and eat every day for all the love and care he puts into his food. So let's take a look at what they're doing. This is a Sindhi style chola petis. Sindhi is both a community and a language, and they're very known for being big food lovers. Chola petis is basically a fried potato patty served with chickpea curry, mint chutney, and chopped onions. Kishore Petiwala has been here for over 4 decades. The gentleman you see in the white is the owner, and his father started the business many years ago as a basic food cart. It became so legendary that it grew to the business that you see today. It's located in Lasnagar, Camp 2, which is about an hour in train from Mumbai. For tourists, the best way to get here is an Ola, which is India's form of Uber, and Uber does not travel here. Now this is a must. If you're in the area, you must try this dish. I love it. I give it 5 stars. Also, try their gulab jamun, which is night and day compared to the canned gulab jamun commonly found in America. I mean, I don't like the canned ones, and I love the fresh gulab jamun that they have. And
gulab jamun, which you necessarily did not add the fresh ones. You had already always had the canned ones.
This is hot.
So, right.
Okay, I'll try it. I can't guarantee I like it. The canned ones are delicious.
Okay.
You did not try it last time this one?
She did.
It's delicious.
Completely different than the canned ones?
Completely different. Much more delicious. I think I like it.
Not in an American restaurant, like a U.S. restaurant?
No. Sometimes they sell fresh, but very rarely. A lot of times they sell you the one that's been soaked in the syrup can, and it's overly sweet.
Right.
But this is really good.
It's really fresh. They make it every day.
It tastes really fresh.
Right.
They must have made it today.
Oh, they make it every day.
In our travels, we took a quick stop, and this guy set up a little cart outside of his store, and we found a festive jalebi, and it was delicious. This is not the regular jalebi. The shape is different, and this is typically made during the Holi festival. I'm outside of a sweet shop, and they love sweets, so here we go. Just get a look. It's delicious. So this is jalebi. These are sweet bread. And these are different types of ladoos.
One is good?
Yeah, one is
You
good.
will not eat?
He'll share. And these are it's almost like peanut brittle, but it's not. They call it chicken.
You want to eat just now or like?
Oh no, we'll take it.
This is fresh and hot.
Ah.
This
Oh, they are hot. No, one is good. This is a ladoo, which is similar to a truffle. It's a sweet dish, and it's typically made in the month of February for a festival called Sankrant. There are several types of ladoos, and this ladoo, dill ladoo, is made for the festival of Sankrant. We really wanted to try a Sindhi style breakfast, but because of rain, we had limited transportation available to us. So our host family let us videotape at their house for breakfast. And then for lunch, we also had the food at home. So our next video is going to feature Indian McDonald's.
It's a typical Sindhi style breakfast. got it to go because of some transportation limitation today. So we had got it at home. This is called sanna pakora and pav. This is a bread very commonly used in Mumbai and other parts of India as well. Used with different things, pav bhaji, vada pav, misal pav. This is sanna pakora with pav. This is basically double fried pakora. It's a Sindhi speciality. They make a batter, they add chopped onions, coriander, a couple of things, and they fry it. They fry it, then they let it cool down, then they break it into pieces and then refry it. You see these pieces, it gets like crispy, very crispy.
Is it good?
It's really good. This is with the tamarind and mint sauce mixed. They're supposed to go with this. This one is dal pakwan, the speciality. It's a Sindhi speciality again. Sindhi is a community that majorly migrated, not migrated, but they used to live what today is called Pakistan. Now they live in different parts. And these kind of breakfast, this speciality you will get only in the area where there is a bigger Sindhi community. This is called dal pakwan. It's a fried bread, deep fried bread. While bringing it in broke, it's supposed to be completely round. And you take this, and this is a mixture of two different lentil, and it has onion and mint sauce in here, and you just dip it like this. Heaven.
If you like our video, please hit like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.